One of my favourite garden jobs at this time of year is to collect the seeds from this year's plants so that I can grow them next year. Things like beans and peas can be collected on the vine, then hung up somewhere under cover to fully dry out. To collect tomato seeds, simply pick a perfect, unblemished, ripe tomato, slice it open, remove some of the seeds and let them dry individually on a piece of kitchen paper somewhere warm and dry. After a few days, simply fold up the paper and store for the winter. Now, it's best to only save seeds from heirloom varieties and avoid seeds or plants that have an F1 next to their name. These seeds are commercially prepared and may be sterile or not grow into the vegetable you expected. Once fully dried, I like to store all my seeds in little paper envelopes with the plant and the date that I collected them on. These are then put away in an airtight tub until next spring. I hope you managed to get out this autumn and save some of this year's seeds too. Do let us know in the comments below which ones you have great success with.